Hey friends, in this video I will walk you through the 10 most commonly used idioms for IELTS writing and speaking. This video is the second part of the previously uploaded video about idioms. If you haven't watched that yet, then I recommend you to watch that one first. To do so, click on the above I button. Now, without any further ado, let's get started. Fit as a fiddle. A person who is in an excellent state of health or physical condition. For example, my grandfather is nearly 90, but he is as fit as a fiddle. Once in a blue moon. Very rarely. For example, I see my grandparents once in a blue moon as they reside in a countryside that is pretty far from my place. Out of the blue. If something happens unexpectedly. For example, it looked like it was going to be a sunny all day, yet the moment I stepped out, it started raining out of the blue. Rocket science. Something very difficult to understand. For instance, at the beginning, I was pretty scared of computer programming, but gradually with time, I got to know that it was not a rocket science. Anybody can learn it. Cherry on the cake or icing on the cake. Something that makes a good situation even better. For example, we had a great time on the vacation last weekend. On the top of that, pleasant weather turned out to be an icing on the cake. A blessing in disguise. Something that seems bad or unlucky at first, but results in something good happening later. For example, getting laid off during the pandemic was a blessing in disguise for me because I got the job in a better company soon after, not only with a good hike in salary, but also with an agile work culture. Actions speak louder than words. What you do is more significant than what you say. For instance, she keeps promising that she will finish the project next week. It's been 3 weeks already, and well, actions speak louder than words. Rule of thumb. General principle or method. For example, a COVID positive patient is required to go for a 2-week quarantine period as a rule of thumb until the reports come negative. Break the ice. Do or say something to relieve tension or get conversation going in a strained situation. For example, back in my college, I was among the few students who used to break the ice in the beginning of the group discussions as the majority lacked confidence. To care a fig. Not to care at all. For example, he doesn't care a fig about what others think. So guys, these were 10 most commonly used idioms for IELTS writing and speaking. Incorporating them in your IELTS preparation will certainly boost up your score. Now, if you like this video, then do hit that like button and also subscribe my channel because in this way I get motivated to make more and better content for you. I also recommend you to watch my IELTS speaking and listening series in order to improve your score in those modules. This is the end for this video. I will see you in the next one. Till then, keep smiling and keep practicing.